Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you Value Education's second lesson, that is the flag that inspires. Children, the flag. Children of our India, what is the flag called as? The flag is called as Tiranga. Why it is called so? Because it has three colors. Which are they? Saffron, white and green. Okay. Inspires means what? To become something which will motivate is called as inspires. Okay. Now I will read the lesson. On some special days of the year, your school hoists the national flag. Which are the special days? Special days are Republic Day and Independence Day. When we celebrate Republic Day, we celebrate it on January 26. And when we celebrate Independence Day, we celebrate it on August 15, which will fall in this month. Now, these are days of national celebrations. Why we call it as national celebration? Because whole India will celebrate this festival. So it is called as national celebration. On these days, your school conducts special functions. These functions instill the spirit of patriotism among students. Yes, children. What will happen when a school is conducting the programs? All will wholeheartedly they will come and they will join. They will contribute their programs and they will feel that even they are the real soldiers of India. And when we see that programs also we will get goosebumps, children, by the performance, how the soldiers were fighting, how they got the independence for us. By that moment we will feel that we are only the soldiers. We have only killed the enemies. Okay. So this function instilled the spirit of patriotism. What is the meaning of patriotism? Patriotism means love for our country. So when you see the programs, you will feel that I have to become a soldier one day to serve my country. Special functions are also organized in capital cities. Yes, children, which is your capital city? Which is the capital city of Karnataka? Bengaluru is the capital city of Karnataka. Which is the capital city of India? New Delhi. Okay. So people pay homage to the great freedom fighters. So people will remember them while celebrating these festivals. Whom they remember? Not me and you. They remember the freedom fighters who gave their lives to bring the freedom to the India. Otherwise, we would be the slaves under the hands of British. Such celebrations uphold the rich culture and traditions of our country. Children, since India is full of traditions, here we can see the so many religions, so many castes, so many languages. People live with a harmony. Okay, so this only will increase the richness of our culture and tradition. Tradition means whatever we follow in our customs. On Republic Day, the president, yes. Now who is our president? Ramnath Kovind. Mr. Ramnath Kovind is our president of India. Takes the salute of the armed force in New Delhi. So when he will come and stand, who will salute him? army. Armed force means armies will salute him. Special troops from states of India perform cultural shows. Yes, so all the state will contribute on that day and they will perform the cultural shows. What is the meaning of troops? Troops means groups. Okay, how you do here? First standard will do one dance, second standard will tell one speech, third standard will do one tableau. How it is going on? No, same way, all the states will contribute. Now, thousands of people gather on both sides of Rajpath in New Delhi to watch this celebration. Yes, what is a New Delhi? New Delhi is a capital of India. What will happen there? Thousands of people will come and watch the celebration of national festivals. Okay, both sides of Rajpath. Rajpath means it's a area, okay. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag from the ramparts of the Red Fort in Delhi. Yes, now who is our Prime Minister? Yes, Mr. Narendra Modi ji is our Prime Minister and we have to be proud of him for being a Prime Minister of our India. Okay, so Modi sir, what he will do? Modi ji will hoist the national flag. From where? Ramparts means it is a wall, children. Wall of the Red Forts in the Delhi. Diplomats, dignitaries, and thousands of citizens of India watch the Prime Minister hoist the national flag. Diplomats means all political leaders. Dignitaries means maybe they are lawyer, they are a judge, or they are maybe some great professionalist. Okay, whoever maybe MLCs, and thousands of citizens. What they will do? They will watch Prime Minister hoisting the flag. Millions of Indians watch these celebrations on television sets. Yes, we cannot go to New Delhi on that day because we have our programs at our school. So we will watch these celebrations on television sets. The national flag of India has three colors. Yes, I have told you that national flag has three colors. Whose national flag? Our national flag. Indian flag. A blue Ashoka chakra rests in the center. The wheel denotes motion and progress. So the in between wheel, it denotes what? Progress. Progress of our India. Motion means going on progress, going on changes. The 24 spokes of wheel correspond with the 24 days, 24 hours of the day. What they are saying? There are 24 spokes, which means 24 hours of the day. Okay, it is similar to the one day. The top strip of kesari or deep saffron. So this is kesari or deep saffron. What it tells us? Denotes means tells. This color denotes courage and sacrifice. What is courage? Courage means braveness. Whatever you want, you can do with your daring is called as courage. Sacrifice means giving the life for the country. So many freedom fighters gave their lives, same way. The strip in the middle is white. It stands for truth and peace. So this middle one, it stands for truth and peace. Truth means whenever we have to say true only. We must not lie. Peace means non-violence. We must not beat anybody. We must not hate anybody. The strip at the bottom is green. Yes, this is green. This signifies fertility and prosperity. Fertility means progress. Okay, prosperity means improvements. The national flag should always be hoisted higher than the other flags because it is a sacred symbol of our country. How God is there, no children? Sacred means like how we see whenever we saw the photo, God's photo falling down means what we will do? Hey, it must not fall down. How we protect our God photo, no children? Same way, a national flag is also like a God for us, and it should be hoisted higher than the any other flags. Like we Hindus, we have flags on the top of the temple, no? But on the temples also, it should be higher than that. Every Indian must. Yes, what are the duties of all Indians? Honor and salute the national flag. Yes, it's a duty of everybody that we have to honor and salute the national flag. Feel proud in singing the national anthem. Children, whenever you hear the national anthem, maybe you are in a school or you leave the school, for 1 minute you have to stand wherever you are in the attention position when you hear the national anthem. This is our duty to give respect to our national anthem, children. In a next class, I am going to solve the what is that activity. Now little more is there. I will finish that. Okay. When our president, yes, who is our president? Mr. Ramnath Kovind. Or the prime minister, who is our prime minister? Mr. Narendra Modi ji visits another country. That country also honors India by flying the Indian national flag. See children, whenever they visit, they also honor by flying the our flag. When an athlete or an Indian team wins a medal at an international meet like Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games or Asian Games, the Indian national flag is hoisted. Yes children, whenever the Indian is won, maybe it is in an international meet like Olympic Games, Commonwealth Games or Asian Games, our national flag is hoisted. Okay, where all we are hoisting the national flag, they are telling us. Indian national flag also flies at the top of the mountain peaks which our Jawans guard. Okay. So what they will do, even on the mountain also our flag is guarded by whom? Jawan. Who is Jawan? Our soldiers. The national flag inspires every citizen to make India great. Yes, children. By seeing our national flag, we get inspiration that we have to cultivate the honor to nation. We have to cultivate the three colors, whatever it says, that should be in our heart, like courage and sacrifice, truth and peace, and we have to get motivation to serve the country. So I'll explain you the notes in the next class, children. Thank you.